electrolysis refining copper anode products, pure copper as cathode, coarse copper as anode, copper sulfate solution as electrolyte. The cathode produces more than 99.9% pure copper, and the impurities, such as mercury, gold, silver, etc., that are active behind the copper precipitate and are known as copper slime. Copper mud ball pressing machine. After so many years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, copper mud ball pressing machine and briquette ball pressing machine, desulfurization gypsum ball pressing machine has similar performance based on copper mud ball, copper mud pellet, copper mud particles and other materials, so as to form, because the roller of copper mud ball press can be forced extrusion, so the output of products with high density, high strength, high hardness of 3 high characteristics